Hey peeps, I'm back. Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Thanks for being here. Say there again. I'm happy to be here, happy to be doing this vlog right now. This is like the fourth attempt at this vlog, but yeah, I think I'm ready for it right now. So firstly, I want to say thanks to everybody that's watching right now. Big up on yourself, everybody. I want to do a little shout out before I even start. I want to shout out my GC Foster family, and I'll start off with the females. So Colleen, big up yourself. Janelle, big up yourself. Tashika, big up yourself same way. Chanel, big up yourself. Trudian, you're large, you don't know. Big up yourself and you don't know, you behave the same way. Stacy, Cholet, Serena Foster, this bad man, I beat up the people in from one day. Big up yourself same way. Sexy body Candice, Conville, big up yourself. You don't know. Amelia, you don't know, little quiet girl. Miss Green, big up yourself, same way. Odesia, big up yourself. Anna K, you don't know. Pari, Anna K, you don't know you're Dooms. Bad woman, Anna K, big up yourself, same way. Kadeen, big up yourself. And Baker. Alright, persons that I miss, I'm sorry about that, but we need to fix that. We need to fix that. We need to show up on yourself some more and leave me. On the man inside now, big up them all, big up yourself youth. Carmichael, you don't know. Kevin Preston, big up yourself. Kevin Barnes, big up yourself same way. Dwight, you don't know. Part of MD 4A, same way. So also big up yourself. Today your birthday, you don't know already. O'Shea, big up yourself, don't know. Kirk, you that. Rashid Barker, big up yourself. 16, big up yourself same way. For the man who miss out, big up on yourself same way. So let me jump right into this right now, people. Make sure they enjoy. Stay tuned. Hey peeps, welcome back. So I'll be looking at a burning topic. This is a burning issue that a lot of people go through. A lot of people experience this, alright? So what I'll be looking at today is cheating in a relationship. My advice, my opinion on what you should do or what I think you should do if you find out that your partner is cheating on you. I know a lot of people have experienced this, and firstly I want to say I want to deal with this relationship aspect, whether you be in a relationship, a 1 year relationship, 2, 3 year, going whatever it is. I don't want to jump into the whole marriage because marriage is a total different topic. That's a total different situation. It is similar, but yeah, you don't know already. But thanks for tuning in again, and I'll kick it off. So, what would you do if your partner cheat on you and you find out that your partner cheat on you? Me personally, what I would do, I would just, react to it the best way I know how to. I'll probably laugh and I'll probably expect it because I've expected the unexpected already. I've already know that people are prone to cheating or things happen that people cheat. So one of the things that cause people to cheat, it could be certain circumstances in a relationship where there's lack of attention. There is the person is not committed to the relationship. The person is having doubt. It could be any of those factors, any of those reasons that can cause somebody to cheat. So if you're in that situation where you identify that there is a lack thereof of certain aspect of the relationship, try your best to talk to your partner about it. Sit down with the person, explain to the person, hey, I'm feeling lonely. What if you could do this to help me to feel better? Then I don't need to go outside the relationship to get that, right? So if you play your part in the relationship, if you meet the person 50-50 or 100-100 then in the relationship, then that will eliminate the lack of attention or the lack of support that you're the one who's supposed to be giving your partner, whether it be male or female. You have to look on it both ways. So try to ensure that you're playing your part in the relationship, you're giving your partner enough attention, enough support that they need to actually help them to feel good in the relationship, so they won't cling to somebody that's going to treat them better or show them the love that you're not showing them. So people have to keep that in mind, that people leave their relationship and go into different aspects are different. They go around people that actually treat them good, treat them better, show them love, show them that them care, you know, carry them out, they enjoy those person's company, you know, for a better word. So careful where that is concerned and ensure that you're playing your part in your partner life. You know, you don't want to slack off and then the person, you know, end up cheating. The next thing I want to look at is, next one of the factors I want to look at why people cheat is pretty much people have a cheating gene in them. I don't know where it comes from, but I strongly believe that some people are born to cheat. Like they literally get up out of them mother belly and just drop on God earth and just to cheat. Like you could have been the prettiest girl in the world or the most handsome guy, and the person still cheat on you, and you're wondering, wow, look how I look good, look how I do. You understand? People just cheat. Like they don't really need a reason for cheat, but you have those type of people born with a cheating gene and they just cheat. So for those type of people, what should you do if you're with somebody that does cheats? That's to who they are, you know. You could try and help them, you know, try to work with them, try to ask them to not cheat, try to find a solution for it. If there's no solution for a person like that, then leave. If the person constantly cheating for no reason at all, you're actually doing what you're supposed to be doing, and the person cheat, just leave. Simple. What you gonna do? Just go about your business. Walk out the door. Find somebody else who will love and care about you and not cheat on you. Alright? The next thing that I want to look at is persons cheat because they feel that their partner is cheating, and that is called insecurity. They feel insecure, so they end up going and cheat because they believe that, oh, well, if him a talk to that bunch of girl, then him a go cheat. They're assuming that you're cheating, so they end up go outside the relationship and cheat on you. People don't have to realize, say, some of the time you have to be in a relationship, you have to go in a relationship without, you have to live without doubts. Stop doubting your partner, stop have doubts, stop feeling insecure every minute, saying that, oh, that person is cheating, accusing the person of cheating. Because think about it, if you're with somebody and you have a female and she constantly say, you're a cheater, you're a cheater, you're a cheater, you're a cheater, what's gonna happen? The person accusing it every day, you're gonna just accept it one day and just finally do it because you're fed up with it. So females careful where that is concerned, and males don't pressure a female and say because she's a woman, she's sneaking and she's bad and she's prone to do that. Try not to accuse her too much so she go outside the relationship and cheat, because you actually push her. What you're doing is forcing her to cheat because of your accusations. So careful of that. You have to keep that in mind, that you do not accuse your partner to the extent where they're going to cheat, right? You cause that on yourself, all right? The next thing, important thing that you need to do or not do whenever you find out that your partner cheated, don't jump up and leave the relationship and just say you're done with it. No, do that none at all. You understand? The reason why I say not do that none at all, simple. It is an issue that you need to fix. If you're in a relationship and you find out that your partner cheating, you need to fix that issue. Your partner cheat today, you're done with him tomorrow. Next week, and you want him that again. What it says, why you never stay in a relationship and try to fix the issue? Why you make up your bag and say you war and you fight, and then later down you know say you want about the person? Because not because a person cheat doesn't mean that they're not good, they're not helpful, they're not supportive, they're not kind, they don't have the right attitude, they don't treat you with love and care. Yes, people treat you with love and care, but people make mistakes, and sometimes you have to put yourself in that person's shoe, wear the person's shoe for a minute. Like literally, male or female, you need to understand that things happen for a reason. Things happen to teach you a lesson, and things happen so you can make things better in your relationship. So if you're in a relationship and you find out that your partner cheating, don't just jump up and talk about you're done with the relationship. No. Take a deep breath, relax yourself, and analyze the situation. Look at it. Alright? Figure out why the person cheated. Try to work with the person from there on out. Try to understand that things happen. that's what you need to do. So don't jump up on top of your door and you call your back a girlfriend or you call your male friend them and you tell them, say, alright, you know, so she cheat on me, yo, I'm done with her, I go to, no, don't do that. That's the last thing you want to do, because after you go and brag with your friend them and you want her that again and your friend them look on you like, really though? Really? That you really, you understand? So, females, it's the same for you. So, whenever that happens, if you have a close relationship with your friends or family, whoever it be, try to consult with them and get them advice. Try to get positive advice, no negative advice. Because some people like when you're in a good relationship and they just want your relationship, just something to happen like this, happen in your relationship and then just influence you. Always eat that word, I'm sorry, influence you to end your relationship. You understand? So be careful of those people that just are the vultures and just wait for something happen in your relationship, scoop down and take your man or take your girl. You understand what I'm saying, people? So back to the point that I was making, consult with friends, family, whoever it is that you confide in the first place. Try to consult with them and hear what they have to say. Listen to their opinion, and then you make a decision based on the type of relationship or the type of bond that you have with your partner. Because at the end of the day, are you on him? Are you on her? You understand? At the end of the day, at one of the decision you have to make, it's going to affect both of you. So be very careful whenever you find out that your partner cheats on you. Don't just jump the gun and do something that you never put enough thought into. You understand? So be careful where that is concerned and try not to just jump up and be erratic and say, here, why you done me now, do this no more. Yo, that girl diss me, yo, kill man for kill her now. No, people, you never kill her, you never kill him. You have to move on and try to move on together. If you realize that the relationship, you cannot fix the problem, just go your separate ways. But the point I'm trying to make is people deserve a second chance. 1, analyze the situation, then make a decision. 2, 3, try to fix the issues in the relationship so your partner don't go out and cheat on you. And 4, try to be reasonable with your partner. Alright? So that's my advice where cheating is concerned. I hope you guys learn from this. I hope you guys, like it. And if you like it, put the thumbs up. If you don't like it, put the thumbs down. If you want other people to watch this, share it. If you're not subscribed, look down this. You see? Down this. Subscribe. Alright? Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for supporting JVLOGS. Again, I like to please you guys. Let me know. And Friday's my birthday. Part the sea. Swim now. Breaststroke. Backstroke. Freestyle. Part the sea. So yeah, my birthday is Friday. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm not alive, so whatever it is, I'll probably vlog about it. Who knows? But I hope you guys enjoy this. No flop people, JVLOGS people, I'm out.